This is 石老师. So what I'm about to show you is how to use PeraPera, the pop-up dictionary, with your Canvas course. Basically, this is going to allow us to, with ease, start interacting with Chinese characters in a way that prior to modern technology was not possible. And it's going to make our lives a lot easier. Now, the first thing you'll need to do is download the app itself. Now, I have included a link there in the syllabus and tools, which you're probably seeing if you're here now. You just click on the appropriate browser and go download it. If you have Safari, I am sorry to break it to you, you will have to download a different browser in order to use this. Now, once we have this on, we can do some pretty cool stuff. We will first turn on the PeraPera pop-up dictionary, and then let's go into any of these. Let's say the last one here, dialogue the waiter. Now that PeraPera is on, any of these characters, if I hover over them, it will display the pinyin and the English meaning. What this will allow us to do is start acclimating to seeing Chinese characters without having to actually know all of the, ostensibly hundreds of characters we'll interact with. And we can start to slowly get used to it. Something to be aware of, it uses natural language processing to determine word pairings. As we know, certain words in Mandarin are composed of two sounds. For instance, 工作 or 医生, right? Each of these words, the two characters in them, have their own individual meaning. So what PeraPera will do is, as you scroll over a block of text, it will first highlight the entire word grouping it sees, and then if you keep scrolling, it'll just show that character alone. There are some limits to this. Obviously, it makes it a little challenging to see that first character there. More often than not, though, PeraPera will get it 100% correct in parsing character groupings. And so we can just kind of keep scrolling along. Well, nice. How cool is that, right? And again, this will work here. 有辣的食物. And we can use this all over the place to help us out. This will be especially useful when we start reading the abridged novel 周海生 right here. I've taken the time painstakingly to turn this novel such that it can be OCR'd. So right here, 小的时候没有上学, right? This will help us read through this text. You'll obviously have audio to go alongside that. But as I'm sure you can tell, this is a pretty cool, pretty robust tool to have here. And it will really help make our Chinese learning, our character learning, easier. I hope you guys get along with PeraPera well. If you have questions, hit me up in Slack.